People who have only fans, what is stopping you from upgrading to an air conditioner? I actually have a serious answer for this. My house is super old, which means that my windows are the wrong size for portable or window air conditioners, and there are number 3 pronged outlets within 50 feet of the windows. And I'm renting, so not about to spend a bunch of money putting central air in my upstairs area. Thankfully, downstairs has central air, so it's only upstairs that I have to be creative with. Currently it's a mix of box fans, swamp cooler, and dehumidifier, so we'll see how it does with the Missouri summer. Yeah, I know my username says I'm from Colorado. I moved after I made this account.